Yes, Abdul. Abdul, I was telling you to go through these materials that we use to keep our environment clean. So if you can see my screen, you can go through this. We said that last time we talked about sanitation, and we say that is the keeping of our environment clean. And we also looked at the places that we keep clean, and also we looked at the ways how we keep the environment clean. Now today, we are looking at the materials used to keep our environment clean. Yes, Abdul, can you read first these materials?
Broom.
Read first those materials that you're seeing.
Oh. Broom. Hook.
Please start from the first one. Start from water going downwards.
Water.
Mm-hmm.
Water. Lasher.
Next. This one is rake. Can you say rake?
Rack.
Rake. Rake. And then panga.
Panga.
Slasher.
Lasher.
Soap.
Soap.
Hoe.
Hoe.
Broom.
Broom.
Scrubbing brush.
Rubbing brush.
Cobweb brush.
Cobweb brush.
Squeege.
Squeege.
Okay, that's good. Now, I want us to mention the ways of keeping the uses of these materials. Uses of these materials. That is what we are going to talk about now. The uses of these materials. What is the use of water? What is the use of a panga? What is the use of a soap? What is the use of a broom? So what is the use of a broom? Divine, what is the use of a broom?
House. House.
What is the use of a broom?
House.
What is the use of a broom?
House. House.
It's not house. No. Linus. Linus, what is the use of a broom?
Sweeping.
Good. The use of a broom is sweeping. What is the use of a hoe? Abdul? What is the use of a hoe?
For digging.
For digging, correct. What is the use of water?
Watering plants.
Watering plants, good. You can also say washing. It can also be used for other things. Then what is the use of the scrubbing brush?
Scrubbing.
Scrubbing, it can be used for scrubbing the floor, can be used for scrubbing the toilets, like that. So let's look at these things. Uses, let me have Linus read first this heading. Linus?
Uses of tools for cleaning environment.
Uses of tools for cleaning environment. So these very things that we already mentioned, we have a hoe. A hoe is used for, Abdul?
Yes.
For digging. Good. Divine, what is the use of a broom?
Broom for sweeping.
Broom for sweeping. We have Linus. What is the use of a rag?
For hopping.
Mopping. We have Abdul. What is the use of a rake?
Raking brass.
What is the use of a rake? You read from here. Can't you see in your screen? What is the use of a rake?
For raking.
Can't you see in your screen that a rake is used for collecting rubbish? For collecting rubbish. You have to look at the screen, your screen. And then you have also water. Water is used for mopping. Is used for mopping. You have the slasher is used for slashing. The slasher is used for slashing. Wheelbarrow is used for carrying rubbish. Can I have a princess say that? Wheelbarrow for carrying rubbish. Princess?
Wheelbarrow for carrying rubbish.
Panga for cutting small trees. Linus? Linus, can you read that? Abdul?
Panga for cutting.
Good. Panga for cutting small trees. As simple as that. So those are the different tools. These are the different uses of the tools that we use to keep our environment clean. Can I have one person read first all those uses, starting with the hoe? Abdul?
Yes.
Yes, read first these uses of these tools, all of them.
Hoe.
Broom.
Rake.
Rake. We have rag before rake, then water, slasher, wheelbarrow, and then panga.
Slasher.
Okay.
Panga.
Panga.
Slasher.
Slasher. Okay. Princess, what is the use of a rake? Princess, what is the
Collecting
use of
rubbish.
what is the use of a rake?
Collecting
Raking
rubbish.
Can you see? Look at the screen. I don't want people who just forge their own answers. Can you see in the screen here that a rake is used for collecting rubbish? Not raking, we don't have that word.
collecting rubbish.
That's good. Then, Linus, what is the use of a wheelbarrow?
A wheelbarrow for carrying rubbish.
Is used for carrying rubbish. What is the use of a rag? Abdul,
For
what is the
mopping.
use of? It is used for mopping.
Mopping.
As simple as that. So that is what we wanted to talk about today. You have some exercise here that I want you to do. Circle the insect that spreads diseases. Those are the insects. So you circle the one which spreads diseases. Which insect is this? Abdul, can you read this one? This one?
Is
Okay, Linus, can you read for this?
housefly.
That is housefly. And then Princess, what is this one? Read for
White
this one.
ants.
White ant. And then Abdul, can you read for this one? I think this one is not. Can't you see my screen? You look at the cursor, where the cursor is. Yes, Divine.
Mosquito.
Mosquito, good. So those are the three insects that we have. So you choose one which spreads diseases. No, you circle those ones that spread diseases. Among these ones, which one spreads diseases? Abdul, which one of these spreads diseases?
Housefly.
Housefly, correct. Another one, Linus, which other apart from a housefly? Between the
Mosquito.
Okay, we can continue. I was talking about this. I was asking you which other insect apart from the housefly spreads diseases here. So between the white fly and the mosquito, which one?
Insect.
I'm saying which of these insects? All these ones are insects. And we have said that a housefly spreads diseases. And then now we are remaining with the white ant and the mosquito. Which one of these spreads diseases?
Mosquito.
Yes, Princess?
Mosquito.
It is mosquitoes. White ants and do not spread diseases. White ants are eaten. They are good. We eat them. It is the mosquito and then the housefly that spreads diseases. As simple as that. So let's move on to the next. I want to Abdul to read first number 2. Abdul, can you read first number 2? You're absent-minded, I see. Read first number 2. This one is not seeing. Linus, can you read first number 2? Linus?
Name the insects. Spread diseases.
Name the insects that spread diseases. So you've already mentioned, circled them from here. So you can just copy these ones, housefly and mosquito, you put here. Those are the ones that we need. And then the other question is, why do people wash hands? You just complete. Is it to remove germs or to put germs? So you choose one to put there. Then we also say we use soap too.
Wash our hands.
We have the answers here. Is it to kill germs or put germs? You choose one. What is the use of soap? Is it to put germs or to kill germs?
To germs.
To kill germs. Good. As simple as that. Then lastly, you will draw any 3 items used to clean our environment. You draw any 3 that you want. You draw and name them. Draw and name like that. So that is what we wanted to talk about today. So that is it. I'm going to send this work through WhatsApp, then you copy. So thank you so much for attending. We meet next time.